Assalamualaikum and hello YouTube, my name is Nur Muhammad from Anywash, and today I have a world premiere unboxing of a micro brand from Malaysia. Right, so a few months back a chap or a guy called Jason from Sheer Watches, I think that's the correct name of his company, so approached me through Facebook, and we've got in contact with each other through FB Messenger and even through WhatsApp. And he told us in the Micro Brand Watches Malaysia Facebook group that he is going to produce a dive watch, right? So he shared a few renderings of his project, and you know, we kind of gave him a few feedbacks, and voila, this is the prototype of the watch that he is going to launch soon on Kickstarter. Don't ask me when, because I have yet to confirm with him, but here we are. A few months later, we have this huge box, right? So just arrived fresh, right? So I have just cut this one, but you know what, let's do a quick unboxing, right? So okay, let's find my knife. So I have my trusty what do you call this, unboxing knife. This is the Victorinox. I have no idea what they call this, right? So let's just do a few incision. So sorry guys, it's a bit huge. Okay, so we have that. That is nice. We have a logo, right? So very nice Sheer brand logo, I think. So let's just take it off the box, shall we? Okay, quite a huge box. So let's just, nothing else inside here, I think. Okay, so let's just take off all this from the table and see what is inside the box. So let's just put the knife off before I hurt myself. Okay, so we have a logo. I'm not sure whether this is the actual logo that you are going to get, actual box that you are going to get if you purchase this one. Let's just see. Oh, drum roll please. Okay, so yeah, let's take it off the. Okay, so we have a Sheer brand box here. So outer box and inner box. Oh, okay, so there is apparently a few straps, right? A few straps that comes with the watch. All right, so we have the welcome, what is this? Thank you for your purchase, for purchasing our timepiece. I think, yeah, this brand Sheer Watch already produced some dress style watches. So this is their first, I think this is their first venture to a dive style watches, right? So, or maybe it is a dive watch, I don't remember, but maybe that is where you're going to find your warranty card and manual instruction and so on, right? So let's get to the highlight of the day. So Sheer, very nice, a cardboard box, and boom, yeah. Okay, so we have this super nice what is this, felt, right? So velvet, I'm sure. So nothing else, right? So yeah, this is the watch. Okay, so that is quite nice. Okay, so I think he mentioned inside our Facebook group that this watch is going to be called the Sheer Semporna, right? Semporna is a place in Sabah, one of the states in Malaysia. So Semporna means also loosely translate as Sempurna, that means perfect in English. And is this the perfect watch? Right, so I have no idea, but yeah, I will of course do my all the facts and figures check, and of course do wear this on daily basis, and to see if this is the worth your money, or worth for you to check out, right? So first thing first, this is a dive watch, right? So let's see if the bezel is okay. Wow, very nice action there, super duper tight. Oh yeah, there is no back play, right? So okay, so let's see if it lines up. Okay, so sorry about the reflection guys, I'm not using my usual setting here. Okay, boom, so that is nice. So I believe this thing is ceramic bezel insert. We have a sapphire crystal up top, and we have that. Let me see if I can zoom in and adjust the lighting a bit. Okay, all right, so yeah, you can see there that we have a blue and black dial here, right? So Okay, so quite deep. I don't know. I don't really want to call this a full medal because yeah, it is a bit how to say, lighter on the center of the on the hand on the dial, and a bit darker at outer side. And yeah, we have a 6 o'clock date wheel. I can't really remember the movement inside this. Let's see. Oh, that is a Seiko, definitely a Seiko NH35. And at the back we have Sheer 20 bar. Let's just zoom in a bit. Semporna. And what else? Water resistance. Very nice. Right, so okay, let's check out the crown. Right, so we have of course a screw down crown. Okay, winding action is very nice. The date wheel is in black, right? So that is not a color match date wheel, but damn, this thing is really nice. Let's check out the case, guys. Oh, we have a sign logo there with the S logo of Sheer, and quite a nice angular case that you see here. The lug width is 22 millimeters, and I will do of course the full dimension check and weight check in the full review. All right, so if you guys have any comments whatsoever, please do let me know. Please do chime in the comment section below, and let's see if I can get a straight answer from the owner of the company, which is Mr. Jason. All right, so thank you very much, Mr. Jason, for trusting me with your baby. I think maybe this is your second baby, or I'm not sure. I'm going to be confirming that with him. This is a prototype, guys. So before we go, let's just quickly do a loom check. I think they are using a BGW9. Yep, a combination of BGW9 on the bezel and the hour hands, right? So, and the C3 Super Luminova on the hour indices. gorgeous, right? I just like that. Okay, so what do you guys think of this? I think it's going to be awesome, guys. I'm not really sure how many colors that he's going to make. Initially, he said that this Semporna is one of the colorways, so maybe he will produce more. I'm not really sure. I'm just gonna spend time on this with this watch, and later on I will get a few more details in the full review, right? So any questions about the price or anything, so please do let me know in the comment section below. And if you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you want to see more future video reviews such as this one, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, I'll see you soon. Stay safe. Bye bye.